Ladder Life Insurance Review 2024 Term Life Insurance Affordable Rates. Most people get this wrong, but life insurance doesn't have to be complicated. Ladder Life Insurance simplifies the process, but is it truly affordable and reliable? In 2024, Ladder offers term life insurance policies fully online, without agents or paperwork. Coverage amounts typically range from smaller policies up to high-value terms, depending on eligibility. The biggest advantage is flexibility. Ladder allows policyholders to increase or decrease coverage as life changes without starting over. The surprising truth is that this flexibility is rare in traditional life insurance. Another pro is speed. Many applicants receive instant decisions, and some qualify without a medical exam. Rates are often competitive for healthy individuals. However, you won't believe what happens next if you want whole life insurance. Ladder only offers term life. There are no cash value options or investment components. Another downside is strict eligibility. Those with certain medical conditions may face higher premiums or denial. In conclusion, Ladder is ideal for people who want simple, affordable term life insurance without hassle. If flexibility and transparency matter, Ladder remains a strong option.